Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing another Colorina whole color eyeshadow palette. The first one was the CE22C and the second one is the CE22A, and these are the shades right here. If you guys want to know how I completely feel about these shadows and want to see how they perform and how I apply them, you know what to do. Just keep watching. Okay babes, so this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you all like this look and I had a lot of fun doing it. I really liked how the eyeshadows performed. This is the second eyeshadow palette that I get from them. I had to put like the little code right in here and put it in here so I know which one I'm picking up. This is the CE22A and I also have the CE22A, and I also have the CE22C. That was the first video that I did showing you guys this eyeshadow palettes. This is the second one that I get. I really enjoy the colors. The only thing is that I wish the yellow was a little bit more pigmented. Like from the camera you guys cannot notice the yellow, pero like obviously in pictures it looks a lot different. Like obviously you edit it and shit, pero like you guys know what I mean. And I'm really feeling this look, and I really enjoyed the shadows, even though the yellow is a little bit but yellows are really hard to work with. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Leave a comment down below with ideas with what you guys would like to see in my channel. So yeah, now I'm just going to be finishing this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.